In this blog, we will see how to make a show password in our Flutter application. So generally it might be a small topic regarding how to display a password when the user enter. But today we are going to see how we are implementing it in our Flutter forms now. So here let us start with the void main. Here we are considering my app, which is a default class extending a stateless widget, and here we are returning a material app here. So inside which we have provided a class password here in the home, and which is extending a stateful widget here. So here we are making use of the state password. Here we have declared two boolean variables. One is show password and another one is show confirm password. So here initially we have declared both of them as true, and also we have specified two focus nodes. So with the help of these focus nodes we will be handling the text fields, and we will be making the text visible, and again it will be obscure. So using these two focus nodes we will be handling the text fields for making the text visible and invisible. Again, invisible in the sense we are obscuring the text here as it is a password. So here inside the init state we have initialized the password focus node and also the confirm focus node here. So also we are providing the dispose here because we need to properly dispose these two fields after the use. So here inside the scaffold we have provided an app bar with a sample title called show password here, and inside the body we have provided a padding of 12 on all the sides, and inside the column we have specified the alignment to be center, and using the children widget we have specified two text fields here. You can see one is the password and the another one is a confirm password here. So we have provided the text decorations here, that is we have provided the hints, and also you can see here we have provided a suffix icon for the confirm password here. So here you can see the output. So this is the output, and first one is the password and the second one is a confirm password field here. So here you can see we have provided a button over here. So when you tap on the button you can see the password, and again when you tap on it you can hide the password over here. So this is how we can implement a simple show password field in your Flutter application. Here you can see that both the fields are being handled with a single button here. Also you can make this separate button for each text field. Here you can provide another button over here. So to make it easy I have provided only single button here. So if you want to add the separate button for password field also you can make it small here. So after the hint text you can just copy paste the suffix button here, and here if you add and just try to remove the confirm password here and password from here. So now if you try it you can see here both the fields are being now separated, and you might be having a separate button for both the fields. So this is how we implement a sample show password in our Flutter application, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries in the implementation, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.